Hello my sweet besties. It is time to finally decorate my house for Christmas. I'm so excited. I have a fireplace going. Well, not a real fireplace, but you'll see. The fireplace is going. The tree's ready to get fluffed. The door to the balcony is open and it's like 46, 48 degrees outside. I have my little pooch here with me and I have a room to clean as always. But we are going to get right into it because we have so much to decorate. I'm so excited. Literally, I have been waiting for this all year. First thing I think we should do is I need to show you what decorations I actually have. Everything I have are in these bins, and I got this ginormous Christmas ornament this year. We have some like household stuff to take care of that's just kind of thrown around. We'll see if we can get to this section today. If not, we'll do that tomorrow. Not a big deal. Here's a sneak peek of my table. They only brought the legs of the table, waiting for them to bring the top. But here are all the decorations. Oh, and there's one more thing. I got a crap ton of these gold mercury glass drip ornaments from CB2, and I think they're gonna look fabulous on the tree. I have nothing like this shape, so I was so excited to pick these up when they were on sale on Black Friday. I think we need to light a few candles. I'm trying to get rid of this red candle. It's just not the aesthetic, you know? Maybe I'll light my coffee candle. No, I really like the glass of the coffee candle. I really need to get rid of these two candles, so we will light these puppies. The first order of business should probably be to clean the living room, so that's what I'm gonna do first. For the most part, the living room is now completely clean. The only thing I need to do is vacuum and dust, but I figured I would do that at the end after we decorate because I'm sure more dust and dog hair and all that is gonna come up and flocking from the tree. So I'm gonna take a mini break because I worked up a sweat. I had my fan off. Time for a 5-minute rest, and then I think I'm going to start pulling out all of the decor. Ew. So it looks like the first box that we opened is basically decor for the rest of the house. I just wanted to make sure there was no ornaments in here. There is decorations for other parts of the house, but I am going to be decorating the living room also in this video, so we are going to use some of this stuff. I do want to go through my 4 bins of ornaments. If I remember correctly, I got these ornaments from Michael's. Let me bring you in a little closer, darling. Come a little closer, baby. Is that better? So here's a silver ornament, and silver isn't really my aesthetic, and I think last year I just used them because I couldn't find other things. So I think what I'm gonna do is only put, I don't know, they're pretty, it's just I don't know if I want them on my tree. Oh, these are one of my favorite ornaments. I bought these from H&M at least 6 years ago. It's crazy, maybe 7 years ago. They're little starburst mirrors. I just find them to be so spectacular. Look who's joining us, it's Beavy, come here. Look at that curious little guy. Oh, that little angel ornament I showed you earlier, that is my actual favorite ornament ever. We've had that for 10 plus years I got it with my mom when I lived with her. Oh my goodness, she is just so precious. But here's the star for the top of the tree. And here is some clear ornaments with stars. Clearly I have kind of a star theme with my tree inadvertently. Like I have some star ornaments in here. I do need to introduce a different color on my tree this year because everything I have is basically metallic. And we need something to tie it together. We need some velvet texture or some more natural texture. Some marble ornaments would be cool, but I don't know if that would stand out enough. Hi, baby. Do you need a place to rest? Let's make a place for Buddy to rest. Good boy. I think naturally the next order of business is to fluff the tree, which I'm not really excited about because we started. I'm just not the biggest fan of fluffing a tree. I don't think anybody is. I'm gonna give this a 10-minute power session. I'm gonna set my alarm and whatever I can finish in 10 minutes is what I'm gonna do. Y'all can watch me from afar. We need a timer. A timer. Oh my gosh, I didn't realize my stopwatch had been going on before and it was on for that long. 2,146 days, 56 hours, 44 minutes, and 51 seconds. How crazy is that? It's so funny. Or whatever the numbers mean, I'm not sure. We have a 10-minute timer and go. I've been doing this for 5 minutes and I feel like nothing is happening. I don't know, I think it looks good on camera. That one is a little messed up. Without any ornaments on, it just doesn't look full. Looks like there's a hole right here. Where is that? Yes, there's a hole right here. Kind of fixed that. We have 4 minutes left and I want to give up, but we're gonna keep going. We made a commitment. All right, where would you guys fluff? Help me out. Because I feel like the Christmas ornaments are gonna fill it in. And it's not a straightforward fluff because there's more holes than I remember there being in the tree. I cannot reach up there. Nick is gonna have to do the top of the tree. We did it, besties. Full disclosure, the last 5 minutes, I did absolutely nothing but touch branches, not even move them, but we did it. I think we've earned another break. The only problem is there's nowhere to sit. I'll make some room. Can I get in there? Can I get in there? Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, I did not take my meds yet. Med time? Okay, meds. Take my meds. Do not get sidetracked. Take my meds. Can I see that, Mike? Can I see that? I'm gonna have to take this from you because it's getting gross. And I'm sorry, and I love you. And I'll get you a different toy. He ate out its butt. I think it's finally time we start decorating the tree. I'm going to start with those clear glass ornaments that I got last year from CB2 that were just fabulous and chic, and I love them. Get some more light in here. These are the bad boys I'm talking about. They're blown glass ornaments. Thankfully, I got them on sale. They're selling them again this year, so if you want them, pick them up. They are huge and gorgeous. I cannot explain to you how pretty these are. They're kind of like an iridescent, but they don't shift a pink or a yellow or a purple like iridescent does. It's just like a silver iridescent, kind of like the glazed donut nails, if you will. And it's a really soft, light tan, brown, amber color. It might even look a little bit orange in some lighting. Anyway, that's enough about these babies. Let's put them up. Not doing that. Hated every second of that. Nope, nope, nope. I'm gonna leave some of these out for Nick to do at the top. It's probably so hard to see on the tray, but these are absolutely stunning. I'm gonna get a couple more on the back and then probably save like 5 for him to do in the top and like any sparse areas that he can see. These are such a perfect base ornament for the tree. They're so lovely. Our base ornaments are on and it is looking so beautiful. I did set some aside and I can always move some around if they're too close to each other in a little bit, but I think what I want to do next is put on the drip ornaments. I think this will be, again, the perfect base for the tree. I took a mini break, I am back, and I just wanted to tell you I'm gonna be listening to a podcast while I do the rest of the tree. I am listening to the Wellness Check podcast. It is a podcast from 2 very important people in the health and wellness space. Kira and Chelsea. Chelsea was actually my dietitian. I actually need to get in touch with her again. And Kira is a fitness professional. She, I believe, is a certified personal trainer and eating disorder advocate, if I'm saying that correctly. But I'm gonna be listening to That's a 75 Hard No for Us. So I just wanted to shout out their podcast because it is refreshing and I love it. I started listening to the podcast and then life got in the way. So I'm back, baby.
Thinking a green juice cleanse will solve all your life's problems, or you're just one more good hip thrust away from a natural BBL.
If this sounds familiar, you just found your new favorite non-diet and weight neutral podcast, where we bust the balls of diet culture and repair toxic relationships with food and fitness.
here is a status update. I took out the greenery that was in that corner because we got that last Christmas and it's just been sitting there. But yeah, even though we clean, still super dusty, so I took it out. I'm going to replace it, but for now, the 2 little nutcrackers will be within the arrangement that I put right there, so we still need to work on that. I have some stuff that needs to go in the kitchen. This is a cookie plate and a cute little Santa mug. And I just need to figure out where to put my little mistletoe. Maybe we can put it on the door frame, I'm not sure. I forgot I got these from Mackenzie Childs this year during the sale a little bit earlier. They're these little starburst picks that I'm gonna put on the tree. The only thing is the tree isn't super full at the moment, so maybe we'll save these for another day once I fill in the tree a little bit more. So we have this to do. We need to decorate the entryway more, and this thing that I have right here. And this little jar I want to do a DIY with, where we fill it with something festive or make it a candy jar. Either way, I want to fill this up. But I think we're at a good place for today. I have a few other pieces of decor to find places for. These I've had forever. This one says candy cane wishes and mistletoe kisses. How cute. I have no idea where I'm going to put them yet, but I think we'll do this on another day as well. I forgot we need to do my favorite ornament, the starburst with mirrors. I also started doing the ribbon. I'm gonna zoom you in. I started doing the little ribbon splotches, whatever they're called, but I'm not loving how they're looking. I think what I'm gonna do tonight is gather some intel. I'm gonna watch a few tutorials on people putting up their Christmas tree, see what they do for the ribbon, and see what I'm missing. I think I'm missing little ornaments because I have a ton of the large ones, but it's looking really good either way. And I've saved enough for Nick to put at the top of the tree because this is all I can decorate here, what I can reach. And we have good progress made on other areas of the house. Well, living room.